Due to the widespread use of electric vehicles, today's roads have been greatly improved. As a result, numerous electric vehicle businesses are always competing to design and manufacture the best EVs on the market. Tesla is considered to be the monarch of the electric vehicle business, and the corporation is still entitled to that title today, despite the fierce competition in the sector. How come? Tesla is unique among companies in terms of net profit. To put it simply, nobody comes close to this tech titan's profit margin. We're about to learn why Tesla is still ahead of the competition in the whole automobile business. You may learn about investing and how to make the best financial decisions for your life on Investor Facts. Make sure you click the subscription button and enable the notification bell if you haven't already. Share, like, and comment. When examining statistics, it is evident that Tesla has long controlled the US EV market. The company has been consistently boosting the output of EVs while other manufacturers of electric vehicles are still struggling to produce vehicles and structures that comply with regulations. According to reports, Tesla owns 79% of newly registered electric vehicles in the US as of 2020. According to a report from 2021, the corporation held 69.95% of the EV market share nationwide. For the first half of 2022, it was still able to acquire 68% of battery electric vehicle in the US. This demonstrates how quickly Tesla vehicles have mastered the highways, which may imply that Tesla is the main player in the US EV market. Due to the company's exceptional manufacturing efficiency, Tesla continues to lead the field. The majority of Tesla enthusiasts are likely to agree with this. As is common knowledge, disruptions in the supply chain and rising prices are some of the issues that have had an impact on Tesla's production performance. Nevertheless, Tesla has managed to report an operating margin of 19.2% for the first quarter of the year, a considerable improvement above the company's operating margin of 14.7% in the fourth quarter of the previous year. The price of batteries is one of the several elements that continue to have an impact on how efficiently the EV company produces its products. In comparison to its closest industry rivals, Tesla reportedly paid 10% less to construct battery packs, but even at this rate, the automaker still pays a hefty price for the batteries. Technically, the most expensive component of an electric vehicle is the battery pack. But due to Tesla's substantial cost advantage, it is clear that they are far ahead of the competition. And according to Kearns, this advantage will still remain through the end of the decade. What has improved Tesla's production efficiency? People ask. Its highly automated manufacturing, pricing clout, and hectic vehicle production are the solutions. The phenomenal financial accomplishments of the corporation are mostly a result of all these things. Tesla's sales increased by 73% over the previous year to reach roughly $62.2 billion, and its free cash flow astronomically increased by 118% to reach $6.9 billion. The majority of Tesla's ambition are likely triggers that will support the company's continued leadership in the sector. Tesla's value will rise in the next few years as a result of initiatives like the introduction of the eagerly anticipated Cybertruck, which is probably going to happen the following year, and an increase in car production at the Texas and Berlin gigafactories. In terms of sales of electric vehicles, Tesla held an industry-leading 14.4% market share in 2017. This resulted in a consistent fall in the company's market share. Additionally, the operating margin of automakers give them a cost advantage in developing cutting-edge technology, like the 4680 battery cell. Tesla has the potential to advance transportation and, consequently, boost revenue. Tesla intends to produce self-driving vehicles in the near future. The automaker intends to introduce an autonomous ride-hailing service that, in the future, will rank among the best automotive systems on the road. 8 external cameras that are operated by autopilot hardware primarily collect driving data for neural network training. A special semiconductor that would power Tesla's cars, FSD software, made its debut in 2019. Musk indicated that he expects that the FSD platform will definitely move beyond the human driver by year's end. In one of Tesla's earnings calls, he revealed his intentions for Tesla's fleet of robotaxis, the car that will show off its autonomy and affordable transportation. Tesla stated that it expects to begin producing the robotaxis in volume by 2024, bringing the manufacturer that much closer to its goals of switching to an autonomous ride-hailing service. According to asset management from ARK Invest, if Tesla's autonomous ride-hailing services are successful, they may increase the company's yearly profit by $2 trillion by 2030. This will undoubtedly propel Tesla to the top of the market. Robots that can operate on their own are another upcoming innovation of Tesla. It is no secret that Tesla intends to use its expertise in artificial intelligence to develop autonomous robots. In reality, Tesla only recently made this humanoid robot, named Optimus, official. The company claims that the robot can do tedious duties and that a prototype will be released later this year. The Optimus project might appear to be seriously interesting at the moment, but it's a great base from which Tesla can continually develop cutting-edge innovation. In the most recent earnings call, Musk stated that their Optimus would ultimately be worth more than the car industry and more than full self-driving. But it is unclear how this will affect Tesla's assessment. Tesla is undoubtedly one of the most contentious businesses with exceptional market prices. As the market leader in UICVs, investors and potential investors are closely monitoring the company's valuation. The company's dominance in the market is further explained by the fact that Tesla is currently worth more than the next 14 automakers put together. Most of its supporters believe that Tesla will eventually be much more than just a car company because of its price-to-sales ratio of 19, which is comparable to the valuation of a software company. We can't ignore the fact that some investors believe Tesla is now expensive too. A historical study once claimed that Apple, which had a 2006 market cap of $60 billion, was overvalued. A year later, it unveiled the first iPhone. And now, with a $2.6 trillion empire, the firm is one of the biggest in the world. Similarly, Fortune magazine once stated that Amazon's trade and evaluation go well beyond any notion of reality. At the time, Amazon was valued at $76 billion, which is a significant difference from its current $1.4 trillion valuation. This is not to claim that Tesla is valued similarly to these businesses, but there is a chance that it is overvalued. There is no denying, however, that Tesla puts its technological know-how into those cars, and this could be the company's key to the future success that will be incomparable. There is no evidence to suggest that the EV market is seeing increased competition, although a number of alternative manufacturers are continually working to build effective electric vehicles that can compete with Tesla's EV performance. BYD, however, is right here with one of these. But even if the automaker introduced a number of new models and saw an increase in profits along with the production levels, it still lags far behind Tesla in terms of manufacturing volume, model profits, prices, and other factors. Although it's possible that some people buy electric cars just because they want one. The market has seen a large uptake of electric vehicles, and that's because consumers really desire Teslas. Because the automaker was able to establish a solid foundation for its brand, most people prefer to appreciate EVs just because of Tesla. This is one of Tesla's most important advantages, and if it keeps delivering great market results, it will continue to rule the EV sector. Do you still think Tesla is the leader in the EV market? And will the automaker continue to hold the top spot in the following 2 years? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the entire clip. If you liked it, kindly let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to enable the notification bell so you can be the first to know when we post a new video. In the following video, I'll see you. Goodbye.